what the story explained is that viruses, technically, oh man, I have a hard time remembering like stuff sometimes, but after I read them.
Okay, try your best. It's not a do or die situation.
Okay.
Try
It,
your best.
it said to us that viruses have the
Mm-hmm.
ability to. Viruses are not like cells that are found inside of an animal or a plant. They don't really have any type of microorgans or like cellular organs in them. They're only reliant the way they can like
So you're
change.
saying that viruses are not cellular form,
Well,
right?
they're not. They're cells, but they're not like plant and animal cells. They're not as diverse. They're pretty simply made. It even states
Okay.
that they would only have like five genes, when like plant and animals would have like 100,000, and a bacteria even has like 1,000. It has more than a virus. Viruses are very simply made, and that the only way that they can reproduce, or the only way the virus can reproduce is through replication, which is a part of the lysogenic and lytic cycle and stuff like that. Yeah, what the lytic cycle is, it's when the virus starts to kill the host cell, and when the host cell dies, the virus's copies come out of the dying cell, and then it repeat the cycle over and over again. hmm oh, I forgot to mention this. The lysogenic cycle is when they don't automatically kill the cell.
Mm-hmm.
It only happens for like it happens for some DNA viruses,
Okay.
and it will like take a while. But certain environmental stimulants will cause them to go into the lytic cycle, which will cause people to get sick all of a sudden. hmm
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. That's all I remember.
So you were saying, okay, you're just talking about virus in general, right? But
Yeah.
what part of the virus enters the lactic cycle?
Part of the virus
Yeah,
enters
do
the
you
lytic
know?
cycle. Uh,
I think you know the answer to this because I just want you to be very, very specific on what you're trying to say.
the prophage.
Okay.
Well, let me see. It's the part of the virus that goes into the lytic cycle.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Hmm. The RNA and the DNA that's found inside of it.
Okay. Did you say that the virus does not kill the host cell immediately? Is that what you said?
Some of them don't kill immediately. Some of them go into the lysogenic cycle,
Okay.
where it takes them a while, and
Okay.
then certain environmental stimulants would make it happen, make them go into the lactic cycle.
What part of the virus inserts itself into that phase?
Into that phase,
Mm-hmm.
the entire thing, doesn't it? Right?
You mentioned it before, but
The prophage.
no.
Oh, uh,